right, so the first thing to do is really feel your feet connected with the earth, soften the knees slightly so that they're not locked out, get as tall as you can through the spine, and then soften slightly so that you're alert but relaxed. Soften the shoulders and the neck. And then place your hands on your hips, and then begin to rotate your pelvis in a circle. We'll start off with hip circles. All right, just doing small circles at first, and if it feels okay, you can make them bigger. But we're not trying to set any records. We're just trying to loosen up the joints. All right, this is actually really good for the whole lower body. So if you're short on time, this is great to do every day. And then reverse direction. All right, and then if any of the movements bother you, you can just skip them or just do very small motions. All right, next we'll do the shoulder rolls. So coming back to center, let the arms down by the sides, and then lift the shoulders up towards the ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders. This helps release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. Breathing. And this is really great for the upper body. So these two, shoulder rolls and hip circles, are great to do every day to get most of the body. All right, one more time. All right, and then we'll do some bouncing to really release any stuck energy. All right, so you can just begin by bouncing, letting the arms just kind of shake out as you go up and down. All right, and you can keep going just like that. You can go nice and gentle too. You don't have to do it vigorous, or you can add in a little more energy to it, really get out anything that feels stuck. All right, or you can actually even do a little hop too. That really gets out a lot of energy. Or it helps to circulate the energy and get out stress. All right, and then coming back, slowing it down a little bit, and then coming back to center, taking a moment to feel the body. Feel all the sensations. And then with both hands together, we'll sync the chi. So breathing in, the arms float up. Gather in the energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth. Syncing the chi, breathing in and breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. Grounding the energy, feeling rooted into the earth like roots of a tree. Down through the feet. One more time, sync the chi. Then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door. Start of the journey. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably. You don't have to go very high, just enough to open the shoulders and the chest and decompress the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the fingertips point up and then gently rotate to one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, going the other way, making the tiger claws with the hands. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead and then spiraling out and away. The silk railing upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, take as many breaths as you need. Just feeling into the body, feel the sensations. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over, the fingertips point down, and then they spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Coming down like big raindrops coming down to the earth. It's like a soft rain. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the hands in front, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back and push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in as you open, and then breathing out. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Really taking your time, feeling the sensations, just bringing curiosity to your experience, letting go of judgment, just being here now. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Bringing mindfulness to the body, nice and slow. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. And then step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand pushes down, and then circle it around again. We call this ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down. Shifting the weight back, and then shifting forward, circling the arms around again, roll back. All right, and then one more time. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side, then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. Then the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, and breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, sit back and open, wipe across the horizon, and then take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side, and as you step out, bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Circle it around again, ward off. All right, one more time. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, then circle it around again, roll back. Really tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. And then this time we'll toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, then shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, nice and soft, the press. And then the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Drawing in, lowering slightly, push and lift. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away and press. Release Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across. Other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away and press. Release, draw in and push. Sit back, hug the tree, bring it to center. You can step the other foot in as well. From here, the arms open wide. They float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot, and the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird, the crane. You can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms can float up and over, reaching up to the sky and then stepping down, other side, the crane. But just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. And the arms float up and over. This time the wrists cross. The arms float right up overhead. Shift your weight, then lift the toes. Point the toes to the corner, and then shift your weight to that leg as the arms float behind. And then you can lift your back leg or you can keep the toe down. The crane takes flight. And then stepping down, the toes face forward, cross the wrists, the arms float up, shift the weight, toes point to the other corner, shift your weight to that corner, let the arms float behind. You can keep your toe down or you can lift it. The crane takes flight. It's okay to wobble. And then stepping down, reaching all the way up and over, circling out and around and down. This time, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist, and then switching sides, leaning over to the side, going up. You can look to the side as well. The tiger hugs its head. So gentle rotation, looking to the side. And then you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. As always, just meeting yourself where you're at. Touching down or lifting up. Once again, just bringing curiosity to your experience. Letting go of judgment the best you can. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, hug the tiger hugs its head. And then from here, both arms float up and over and down, circle in front, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften, and circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. Then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you over there.